Hi, I'm Brad Philpot, and I'm the author of English A, Language and Literature for the IB Diploma. And I'm here to talk to you today about the Learner Portfolio, which is an exciting opportunity for us to get students to engage with a range of texts and also to make their thinking visible. The Learner Portfolio really could be seen as a notebook, it could be seen as a blog, a website, in which students show their engagement with texts. Now, there are probably some terms and some structures that we need to get in place with students before they launch into this Learner Portfolio. We can see of a portfolio as two things, either a showcase of their best work or a process journal, like you would see in the visual arts. A portfolio probably should be done section by section, or possibly issue by issue, global issue by global issue, or text by text, or literary work by literary work. It helps to have some organizing principles so that you can understand where to find your students' work and how they can showcase their best work. I do think that there are some advantages of doing a Learner Portfolio online. The idea of getting students to hunt and gather and find their own texts is really powerful, involve them in that process. The idea that they can tag texts and their entries so that they're easily findable is also really important. And I like the idea also of doing a portfolio interview with your students from time to time, maybe once a month, maybe once every other month, in which you sit down with them and discuss some of the expectations that you had and their performances and how they've documented some of their experiences as they've engaged with texts and analyzed texts. So the Learner Portfolio really is a great tool to facilitate the learning that happens every day in the classroom. If you want to think of it as a notebook, that might help. But if a student wants to think of it as their opportunity to show their learning and show their level of engagement and show their development of certain skills, I think it's an excellent tool for doing that. So to comment on how I have designed the course book to facilitate the Learner Portfolio, you'll notice that section 2 is called Global Issues for the Learner Portfolio. And there are 9 units there, 3 chapters, each with 3 units. And each unit is built around a different global issue. And each unit or issue invites the students to explore a range of texts, both literary and non-literary, and answer some discussion questions, to engage with the text through classroom discussion, and document their ideas and their journey in their Learner Portfolio. So going through these units one at a time essentially is allowing students to build sections of their Learner Portfolio and show the processes that they're taking.